Hello बच्चों, let's see the question and the question says that P is a point, y square is equal to 4ax. Q and R are extreme of the latus rectum. A is its vertex. If PQR is an equilateral triangle lying with the parabola and angle AQP is equal to, you have four options and you have to tell which one the value of cos will be. Key concept is, okay, you have given a parabola in the form of y square is equal to 4ax. So let's say this is a diagram of a y square is equal to 4ax parabola, okay, whose vertex lie on the origin. Okay, so this is the origin and let's say this is the focus and focus represented by a comma 0. इक्वेशन में a क्या होता है आपके पास फोकस होता है. Okay, now here in this question use the term latus rectum. So what is the latus rectum? So latus rectum, okay, and in this parabola you have a directrix which is equal distance from the vertex. So that will be x is equal to a and that is f. Okay, so latus rectum क्या होता है आपके पास? Latus rectum will be a chord passing through to the focus. Okay, so latus rectum is a chord passing through to the focus and parallel to the directrix. Okay, the directrix. Which one is the directrix? This line will be directrix. X is equal to a. ओके, सो एक कॉर्ड होती है जो क्या होता है आपका फोकस से पास होती है और किसके पैरेलल होती है? डायरेक्ट्रिक्स के. सो लेट्स से दिस इज ए बी एंड दैट विल बी लैटिस रेक्टम एंड द कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ लैटिस रेक्टम देन वी हैव हियर a comma 2a in a positive direction of y axis and negative side will be a comma minus of 2a. So that is the coordinate of latus rectum. So let's solve this question. So in this question you have given a parabola. Okay, so let's say this parabola is, you have given a parabola is y square is equal to 4ax and let's say this is a diagram of this parabola, okay, whose vertex lie on the origin. So let's say this is a parabola y square is equal to 4ax and whose focus, let's say this is the focus f and this is a latus rectum. Okay, now in this question you have given P is a point on the axis of parabola. Okay, and Q and R are extremities. Okay, so let's say this is Q. Okay, and this is R. Okay, now in this question you have given P is a point on axis of parabola, Q and R are extremities of the latus rectum, and A is a vertex. Let's say this is A, whose vertex lie on the origin. Okay, and if PQR is a equilateral triangle, so let's say this is P point. Okay, on the axis, P point क्या आपके पास axis पे है. So let's say this is given, you have here PQR triangle and this PQR triangle is equilateral triangle. Okay, and here we have given that is APQ. Here we have given AQP. So let's say this is AQP triangle and this given that AQP triangle is equal to theta. Okay, and now we have given here that is triangle PQR is equilateral triangle. So we know that each angle of equilateral triangle is 60 degree. Okay, and this axis divide this equilateral triangle in equal angle. So that will be 30 and this will be 30. This angle of PQR will be 60 degree and this whole angle, ये पूरा angle क्या है आपके पास? थीटा. So this remaining angle कितना हो जाएगा आपके पास? This remaining angle will be theta minus 60 degree and this will be also 60 degree angle. Okay, and this is a latus rectum. So coordinate of Q will be कितना हो जाएगा आपके पास? A comma 2a. Means this distance is a and this distance will be 2a. Here you have given AF is equal to a and here you have given QF is equal to 2a. because this is a lattice rectum, and the coordinate of r will be a comma minus of 2a, coordinate of negative side of lattice rectum. Okay, now we have to find our angle. 90 डिग्री का एंगल बना रहे हैं क्योंकि पैरेलल टू डायरेक्ट्रिक्स है, तो डायरेक्ट्रिक्स क्या बनाता है आपके पास 90 डिग्री का एंगल बनाता है एक्सिस के साथ. ओके, सो वी कैन राइट फ्रॉम हियर, यहाँ से हम क्या लिख सकते हैं, दैट इज tan theta minus 60 degree. Which angle? This angle will be. क्या होता है आपके पास, tan theta is equal to base upon perpendicular. So tan theta is equal to, you have given perpendicular upon base. So for this angle, our perpendicular will be AF. So implies that we have here, that is AF upon QF. ओके, सो AF की वैल्यू कितनी है आपके पास, दैट इज A, एंड QF की वैल्यू है 2A. सो implies that we have here, that is A cancelled by A, so that will be 1/2. Okay, so our tan theta minus 60 will be 1/2. So our tan theta minus 60 is equal to 1/2. Now we know that tan A minus B is tan A minus tan B, which is 60 degree, upon 1 plus tan A tan B, which will be tan theta and tan 60, well, is equal to 1/2. So after putting the value of tan 60, we have here, we know that tan 60 is √3 whole upon 1 plus tan theta √3 is equal to 1/2. Okay, then after cross multiplication we have and we have 2 tan theta minus 2 √3 is equal to 1 plus √3 tan theta. ओके, सो अब हम क्या करेंगे, यहाँ से tan theta को वन साइड क्या कर देंगे, ट्रांसफर कर देंगे. देन वी हैव हियर tan theta is 2 minus √3 is equal to 1 plus 2 √3. Okay, so tan theta will be 1 plus 2 √3 whole upon 2 minus 2 √3. Okay, and we know that tan theta क्या होता है आपके पास, perpendicular upon base. Now we have to find our cos theta. So cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse. Okay, now we have to, let's draw a diagram. Let's say this is our right angle triangle. Okay, and we have given our theta angle. Let's say this is theta and this is a 90 degree angle. From tan theta angle, we have our perpendicular is 1 plus 2 √3, and upon our base is 2 minus √3, and let's say hypotenuse is x. So from the Pythagoras theorem, we have to find our hypotenuse. So x is equal to, we have under root perpendicular square, so that will be 1 plus 2 √3 square plus base square, 2 minus √3 whole square. Okay, so after solving this, we have under root, after applying a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, then we have here 1 plus 12 plus 4 √3 plus 4 plus 3 minus 4 √3. Okay, and this 4 √3 cancelled by 4 √3 because these two number have opposite sign, and after adding these number we have here, that is under root 20. Okay, so our hypotenuse values, x value will be under root 20. Now we have to find our cos theta value. Okay, so we know that cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse, so that will be 2 minus √3 whole upon under root 20. Okay, so we can write this 2 minus √3 implies that root 20 को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं, that will be 2 root 5. So that will be our answer. So which option will be correct option? Option number A will be correct option, 2 minus √3 upon 2 root 5. Okay, so that will be the value of cos theta. So I hope you all understood this explanation. Thank you and all the best.